With advancements in robotics technology, the automotive industry has seen a significant transformation in its manufacturing process. From assembly line production to quality control, robots have proven to be an invaluable asset in improving efficiency, productivity, and safety. In this 6,000-word-long YouTube video description, we will explore the various ways in which robots are revolutionizing the automotive manufacturing process. The use of robots in automotive manufacturing has been around since the 1960s, but recent advancements in technology have significantly increased their capabilities. Robots are now being used for a wide range of tasks, from welding and painting to handling heavy machinery and assembling complex parts. In addition, robots are increasingly being used in quality control, where they can quickly identify defects and make necessary corrections, improving the overall quality of the finished product. One of the primary advantages of using robots in automotive manufacturing is their ability to work continuously without rest or breaks, leading to increased productivity and reduced production time. This also reduces the risk of human error and increases safety in the workplace. Robots are also incredibly versatile and can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, making them an ideal solution for complex and repetitive processes. Another significant advantage of using robots in automotive manufacturing is the cost savings they offer. While the initial investment in robotics technology can be expensive, the long-term cost savings in labor and increased productivity can outweigh the initial investment. Additionally, robots can be reprogrammed to perform new tasks, making them a flexible and cost-effective solution for evolving production needs. In recent years, automotive manufacturers have also been exploring the use of collaborative robots, or cobots, which can work alongside human workers, further improving efficiency and productivity. Cobots are designed to be safe and easy to use, making them an excellent solution for tasks that require human skills and judgment, such as inspection and assembly. Overall, the use of robots in automotive manufacturing has proven to be a game-changer, improving efficiency, productivity, safety, and quality control. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovations in the use of robots in the automotive industry. If you want to learn more about how robots are transforming the automotive industry, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates and informative videos.